Hey YouTube, it's NowIamNappy, and I'm back for another Tip Tuesday. Now this week we are going to be doing an African wash day. Now y'all, I would be remiss if I didn't talk about my background. I'm actually visiting my sister and my nephew.
Hi guys!
So he's actually going to be helping me out during this wash day. And I'm going to be putting the African wash in my hair and in his hair. Now you guys know we've done the series right now with the Chebe and the Ambunu. So I thought it'd be nice to kind of mix it up and bring back Moringa Powder. We know these are actually 3 great African herbs that give strengthening properties and moisturizing properties. So we're going to hook our hair up. So let's go ahead and get started mixing. Okay, so we're going to begin right away with our Ambunu. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of Ambunu to 2 cups of boiling hot water. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and stir that. We're trying to let the leaves release their mucilage and then set that off to the side to prepare our dry mixture. So we're going to begin with Moringa powder, and we're going to pour 1 cup of Moringa powder. Next, we're going to add our Chebe. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our Chebe powder to the mixture. Now clearly it's time for a dance break, as my nephew is very excited to be helping me out. Alright, so now we're back to our mixing. Go ahead and stir up your mixture. And while I was stirring, I realized I wanted to add a little bit more Chebe powder to the mixture. So I went and added 1 more tablespoon. At this point, wait about 10 to 15 minutes and let your Ambunu mixture cool down some. Now go ahead and strain that mixture right into your Moringa/Chebe powder. Now y'all, all this delicious mucilage will go ahead and drip down. This will add some nice slip to the powder and just really add some real hydration to it. So I wanted to dilute the mixture just a little bit more to make it easier to spread. So I decided to add in about 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice. Now you can use aloe vera straight from the leaf if that's what you have. Notice how the mixture is nice and thick, but very smooth and a lot of mucilage from the Ambunu and aloe. Now, of course, my nephew wasn't a fan of the smell, so I'm going to go in with my lavender essential oil to give it a nice smell, and then we're going to rinse our hairs and get ready for application. All right, you guys.
Oh, you already started? I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
All right, so I'm going to start with his hair first since he has just a little bit, but I'm going to put it on, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's really, really thickened up quite a bit while we rinsed our hair. We did not put shampoo in our hair since the Ambunu can act like a shampoo. And so we're going to just...
I already hear that. Mushiness.
I want to show you actually how thick it's gotten.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Pretty great. Ooh, dripped on your ear.
I'm gonna put some on my ear hair as well.
So with this mixture, I'm really trying to focus it on the ends of his hair, really trying to avoid mainly putting it all over the scalp, even though I realize it's going to touch his scalp some. Now, I hope you guys enjoy some of our banter. I love my nephew. We have a really great relationship.
So you apply it as if it is a conditioner.
Right.
And then you would just wash it out.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it on for like 30 minutes for him. Probably like an hour for me.
Because you have thicker hair.
Yeah. And you got a bedtime.
I was just about to say that. I'm like, it might be because I got a bedtime. We don't talk about that.
All right, y'all, I'm just finishing up the back here, and that's it. He's gonna leave it on with a plastic cap for 30 minutes. Okay, now it's me, my turn. Now I just want to talk a little bit about the application of this and some of the benefits we're going to get from using these African herbs in our regimen. Now the slip, y'all, is really, really insane. As we learned before, that Ambunu provides a really nice and hydrating mucilage to your hair. Now, if you guys missed it, we made a deep conditioner from this, we made a shampoo, and we made 2 hair gels from this. Now I realize that Ambunu creates a nice layer for detangling. It really adds a lot of slip to your hair. So if you have herbs that are difficult to apply to your hair, I definitely recommend brewing the Ambunu like we did to make kind of like a tea mixture and then applying it to your hair. Now, y'all, I can really see that my hair has been taking off, especially over the last few weeks by using these particular herbs in our hair. And the one we're going to talk a little bit more about today is the Chebe. Now, in the past couple of weeks, additionally, I did the whole Chebe regimen, kind of the traditional way, and then we realized that the butter or the oil method was really great for applying it and leaving it in your hair. But adding it to this mask is also a great way to introduce Chebe to your regimen to get some of the benefits without maybe having to leave it in your hair for weeks at a time. Now, like the women of Chad, I'm really trying to avoid my scalp mostly because I don't want to get too much irritation from having the Chebe rub up on my scalp. Now, again, there's not a lot of Chebe in this mixture, but I do realize some will probably get on my scalp a little bit, but I'll be rinsing this off within an hour's time. Now, a few weeks ago, we talked about Moringa Powder and how it has amazing hair growth properties. It's also packed with amino acids that are important for hair growth, such as arginine, cysteine, lysine, methionine. They're all really abundant in Moringa powder, and they're great to take in your diet as well as apply to your hair. Now, Moringa is also rich in omega-3s, which are wonderful for nourishing and strengthening the hair. All right, so we're going to leave our hair in for 1 hour. I'm going to put a plastic bag over my hair to kind of let it steam and let it do its thing. He'll probably just leave his in for about 30 to 45 minutes. So yeah, we'll rinse it off and come back for you guys. Peace. Okay, Christine, how's the hair feel? Tell me your experience.
It feels so soft. This is probably the softest my hair has ever felt before, ever. And I really like it. My hair isn't long yet, so I guess it wouldn't have much effect as it would on you or other people with long hair. But yes, my hair is so very soft.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you guys my hair. I just rinsed it out. I didn't use any shampoo or conditioner. I want to show you guys my results. My hair feels very soft, fluffy. It really feels amazing. I still have a little bit of Chebe in here because, again, I didn't use any conditioner. I just rinsed it with water. But I'm really excited to tell you guys that this mask is absolutely amazing and definitely a must try if you're looking for some moisture, some strength, and hydration in your regimen. All right, you guys, that's it for this week. If you guys have any questions, please leave it down below. And don't forget to subscribe and share with any of your friends. But that's it for this week. We'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
What are you doing?
The little beady beads up front. And I'm gonna be putting the I wasn't recording. I'm just kidding.
Say